What's up, guys? Peter Von Panda here. I'm at my alma mater, Northwestern University, down here in Evanston, Illinois. And I'm really super excited because today I was able to come here and talk to some of the students about doing side hustles, and you know how much I love doing YouTube. So just got to see some people who are really interested in it, some people who are already doing it, but love the excitement, love the possibilities there, and the bottled up talent that's going to be released on YouTube. So one of the things that we'll probably be talking about on the channel a little bit more is kind of my engagement with some of the other people on YouTube here, and really trying to get some of the people who are just brand new to the space, the content creation space, kind of getting them up and running. And as you know, we kind of launched a podcast here, and so I'm going to actually have some of those people join us for some of those conversations as they're going through this journey. So you've kind of seen it now in a mature spot on our channel here, but really kind of get a chance here to see some of these people as they're growing. So I'm really excited about that. If you've been thinking about doing a side hustle or jumping on YouTube, I'd highly recommend it. We're going to be putting out some other tools here to help you crack that nut and get going on it, but really excited about what's coming up. So stay tuned, check out the podcast, check out the channel, Peter Von Panda. Whoa, hold up here. So we're not done with this video. So what I wasn't expecting is a little token of appreciation expressed by Northwestern for leading the discussion today. And they gave me this nice little lined notebook here. You can see it's got a nice material. It's called a PU leather type of material, but it's in Northwestern purple, which is really nice. It has the elastic strap for holding it together. We have some ridges right there, and Northwestern Alumni Association, that's who kind of hosted everything today. And this is by Journal Books. It feels nice in quality. It's I call it a small or a medium-sized journal. I call it a medium-sized journal. And what we have here is also just kind of your standard Northwestern Alumni, promo pen, but in purple, and it's a ballpoint pen, but it also has that little stylus nib on the end there, so you can use it with an iPad. But as you can see here, if I open it up, we have a little pen slot there. Even the edges of the book are purple. And then if I open it up, I was actually using it today, but we actually have lined pages in it, so that's pretty cool, and quite a few of them. So you can take some notes, do some work. It's nice to have that. There's also a little pocket here. Keep your business cards or receipts or whatever in there, and then again, just use this elastic strap to hold it shut when you want to tote it around. So pretty cool. Didn't expect that. That was a little surprised, but nice that they make that gesture, especially I think because as someone who's down there leading the discussion, talking to some students, I think the reward is in the discussion itself. So pretty cool. Happy all around. Glad we did it today. Got to see NU, even though it's the winter here, and it was a little dreary today. But like I said, we'll talk more about side hustles, YouTube, and stuff like that, because if you're interested in it, I would love to see you get on board with it. It's a lot of fun. I've been having a lot of fun connecting with you guys, and that's kind of made it all worth it. Check it out. Peter Von Panda, out.